Oh my gosh. Now, welcome back. I'm so excited that you're back. Did I have lipstick on my teeth? I'm just kidding. Wow, I'm totally feeling my KKW fantasy right now because you guys, today we're gonna go ahead and jump into the second launch of Mario and Kim. It is the new palette, you guys. I have it. We're gonna go ahead today and achieve the most beautiful, easy, editorial, selfie-ready gloss eye. In order to see, keep watching, get ready, grab some colors. You guys, I'm so feeling myself right now. It's really rare that I actually start off this way. I'm just kidding. You guys know me very well. Today it's gonna be all about the eyes. It's all about the lips. I don't even know what I'm doing yet. I don't know yet. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, go and hit me up on Instagram. I do a lot of like pop-up live feeds when I'm playing with makeup and getting in drag. And actually, a lot of people have been asking me, why don't you show you behind the scene at a show? So if you guys would love to see stuff like that, let me know. I would love to put it on footage for you guys too. Now, enough rambling on. I have my skin on. I'm bronzed out. I've been tanning a lot and my color has been up and down. But I really feel like this is good. I'm not really super bronze and I'm actually really into it. And here's the reason why. I'm super insecure when I'm super light because I do have a lot of scars and I do have a lot of like things that I'm very insecure about. And I feel like when I'm tan, it kind of makes me feel better as a person. But in the office today, y'all know I love Miss Kim Kardashian. I am obsessed with her. I love her so much. And no, I have not met her yet. Show Miss Kim K this, tag her because I love her so much. I actually look up to her a lot when it comes to my drag. You guys, KKW released the second Mario and Kim collaboration. I have it here. Now you guys know I have done 2 other reviews on KKW and I actually really love KKW. Her choices of color, her choices of inspiration, it's totally me. I do know that her and Mario, when they get together, their palettes look a little different from what Kim would pick. How I see this is Mario's pick. I mean, obviously it's Kim's pick as well, but I feel like when it comes to like the Mario and Kim collab, it's a lot of Mario in the back. So here is the second palette of the KKW times Mario. Her story behind this was all about how Mario has been with her forever, all the choices that he picked for her face. There is a specific color in here that I really want to try. Her palettes have stayed very consistent. They're always in this shape and form. I love that she has like this nude, really clean feel. On the side here, it does say the artist and the muse. Obviously, Mario's the artist and his muse is Kim. It actually looks just like the box itself. Super clean. I love that. So today we are gonna go ahead and create a look. I'm not sure what I'm gonna create because I don't even really remember what's inside. I kind of have a feeling of what I want to do. So let's go ahead and open this up. I know that there's always 10 colors. Oh wow, these are pretty. As you guys can see here, she went really light. I think this doesn't really scream makeup crazy. Honestly, this looks like a palette that you can purchase for someone that just kind of beginning to wear makeup, if that makes sense. I can really see these colors all together. So there's a color here called Look Up, and this is the iconic color that I think, correct if I'm wrong, I think this is kind of what he kind of highlights her with, is like this nice yellowy base color, which is called Look Up. And so meaning when Mario says look up Kim, Kim is looking up and he's really dusting in that nice warm highlight color. So I'm gonna try some of that today. I love the color, so many paparazzis. Now that's a pretty like nude base color. I think these are all very stunning shades. I already have everything set. I have on bronzer. I have my signature highlight. I always like to kind of chisel down the cheek a little bit. I usually like to take translucent powder and just really bake underneath. So some of you guys already know this. These are pretty awesome if you guys want to do baking. Anything you want to like really clean up, these are great because you take it and fold it. I posted a photo on my Instagram and someone said this looks like a pot sticker. I usually like to kind of take it and fold it this way so it kind of keeps like this nice firm tip. And I take my loose powder. Now you guys can use any loose powder for this. I take it and I just kind of chiseled. Wow, that's pretty chiseled. You want to make both sides the same as you can. And I like to do my nose because I love to have a pointed nose. And then I do some underneath where I kind of just bake it. Anyone that does not know to do this, it does do wonders. And that's kind of like my face that I keep as I'm doing my eyeshadow. What am I gonna do today? I'm feeling super inspired to recreate the wet eye. So we are gonna go ahead and create the soft, beautiful editorial gloss eye. Now, with the gloss eye, we're gonna wanna cover the entire eye with the color and then just build and build and build and build. I'm gonna go ahead and name every color that I use. If you guys don't have this palette yet, but you wanna recreate this look, kind of get colors similar. So taking the color So Many Paparazzi, and I'm gonna take this and just really pack it on underneath the brow. Now this color is definitely not the highlight color I would choose, but I always like to use the highlight color that it comes with, but it's not bad. It's very natural. And then now taking the big brush, let's go ahead and start building the color. I'm gonna go ahead and use Don't Move. Now Don't Move is a really, I wanna say like a charcoal brown. Now on my skin tone, it looks kind of more of that, like that nice ashier brown, which I actually don't mind. I usually like to have more of a red undertone brown. That's really pretty. Now let's go ahead and repeat the same thing on the other side. I know a lot of people like to finish one eye, but I feel like when I do that, one eye looks always different. And I like to kind of have the same amount of product on both eyes. Now I'm gonna take some of that same brown. I'm still using the color Don't Move. And I'm taking it and I'm just gonna wrap it underneath. And I do this thing where I kind of close my eye to really get to the waterline. So you kind of create like this kind of moment. Oh wow, that's so pretty. I love it just like that. Now taking the color Glam King, and I think this is gonna warm it up just a little bit because I can see some of that really pretty red undertone. Take it kind of close to the brow. It's really warming it up. Now taking that same color Glam King and just really wrapping it like that. I want the color to be very seamless. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm like already so obsessed. This is like my eye that I would do all the time. Okay, yeah, Glam King is like one of my favorite shadows. Wow. So taking Glam King again and just making sure you really wrap it around in a circle like that. Now we're gonna go ahead and take the color I'm Inspired. I think this is the darkest brown they have. And now we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing, but this time just lightly cover your eye. You don't really wanna work it so much on the actual eye because that's gonna really close off the eye. Just kind of softly buffing it into the outer corner of the eye. See how it just changes everything? It just goes darker and darker, which I actually really love. And I'm taking that small brush, this is for the under eye. Now you want to keep this color very tight. Taking this really pretty color called Mario's Muse. It's a shimmer, and really saturating the brush, you guys. You really want to saturate it. Really start to kind of go in like a swish-washy way. Just like that. Now when there's too much fallout, I like to kind of wipe and then just reapply your translucent. Because honey, the last thing you need is a lot of that color on your highlight. Honestly, her shimmer has like a lot of fallout. It's just like all over the palette. Now we have like that really pretty cranberry color. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a black liner, just lining the bottom of your eye. I actually think I might use the blue to blend out the black. Okay, so taking that blue with a flat brush like this color Mario's Muse has so much fallout versus the artist. Look at that. It's like not even coming out. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's really pretty. Okay, so I'm really happy I chose that. So taking that color and just really taking it and just really packing it on. Putting it in the inner corner. So as you guys can see here, I have on the blue underneath my eye. I blended out the black liner. I brought the blue up just a little bit. I brought the blue in the inner corner to really shape my eye. We're just gonna take the brush and we're just gonna literally take it and just really blend everything out. So it's really seamless. So now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna wipe away the translucent powder and we're gonna take a step back and we're just gonna look. Wow, that is so pretty. I don't even wanna like put gloss on it. But we're gonna put gloss on it. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and complete everything. With the gloss, you have to put the lashes on first because sometimes the lashes won't stick if you put gloss. This is the color that I've been wanting to use since I saw it on Kim's story with Mario. And it's like this nice yellowy color where I actually think it's gonna literally highlight you out. When it comes to my highlight, I use a lot of light white colors because I'm always on stage. But for some reason, when Mario uses this specific color from Kim, I'm like obsessed. So I'm gonna take it one swipe. I'm just gonna see what it does. And it's this color here. It's called Look Up. It's like this nice yellowy color. And I just wanna see if I look up and see what it does. Oh, it kind of did something. Can you guys tell? I can't really tell. I think what it did, it kind of like softened me up a little bit. Oh wow, I can definitely tell the difference. Like it definitely softened me up. I think it did that. I don't know. I definitely know the difference. I don't know if it did anything. No, I don't know if it like was like, oh my god. But I can definitely tell. What do you guys think? I actually like it. You guys are probably like, my reaction's like, Kimora, I don't think you like it. I get it. Do you guys see this? So it's just more like softer. It's not so white, brown. Do you know what I mean? It's kind of like more softer. It kind of flows. Let's add some blush. Let's put some blush on and see what that does. So this side has a little bit of blush. I'm not like wow. As you guys can see my reaction, it's not like wow. I'm just pulling my stuff around. Let me see. Hold on. I'm trying to see what it's doing. I kind of get it. Honestly, this color Look Up to Me is not like wow. I can see what it did, but am I like wow? Not really. I'm not like, oh my god. I'm gonna go ahead and use this color in here. Now this color is called a Beauty Campaign. This color is a nice, pretty, almost like a champagne shimmer. We've seen it before. This color is pretty much everywhere. Let's go ahead and use a little bit of this as a highlight and see what that does. Like, see, now that I feel like looks better. That's pretty. Okay, I am actually very obsessed with that color. Now, is it a Jeffree Star highlight? No. But sometimes you gotta tone it down a little bit. Let's go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. See, I just think that looks so much better now. Oh wow, I actually really love this highlight. It's actually like really pretty. I'm getting a little carried away now. So y'all know I love to highlight my nose. So we're gonna go ahead and highlight the nose with the same color. Okay. You guys are probably like, bitch, Kimora, you are not sold. We started with so many paparazzis. We covered it with a little bit of Don't Move. We put a lot of Glam King on, which is the color that I was actually very obsessed with. Glam King is pretty dope. Fourth, we went to I'm Inspired and just kind of wrapped that around the eye. And then fifth, we did Mario's Muse. This color to me, I do like it. I just didn't like how it had so much fallout. It was just everywhere. It was kind of messy. I had to reapply my translucent powder just because it was getting a little too messy. I wasn't gonna go ahead and use the Artist, but I do like it with a black liner. It made it more smoky black, but not black. You know what I mean? Beauty Campaign was my highlight. I'm obsessed. I mean, we've seen this color before. It's not a new color to me. Every palette has like a color like this. We need those. So yes, is it new? No, but do we love them? Absolutely, we do. And then the color that I really wanted to try was Look Up. Maybe I'm using it wrong. Apparently I was told that this is what she would use underneath her eye to kind of really soften it up a little bit. And to me, I kind of see it, but I kind of don't. I think I only see it because I want to believe in it. The only color I haven't touched was NYC to LA, and then I Need More Light. Now, let's go ahead and get some lashes on this bitch. So we're gonna go ahead and pull out one of my favorite lash brands ever. This is Tati Lashes. You guys know I use Tati Lashes like religiously. I love their lashes so much. I find myself using these lashes a lot over and over again, which means the lifespan on them are probably really good. Go ahead and pull these out. These are gonna be something smaller today because I really wanna show you guys the gloss. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. This is how big they are. Look how big that lash is. And these aren't even the biggest. Like, this is a good size, I think. I'm gonna go ahead and use your average just duo glue and just really take it and pop it on. Wow, you guys look, it looks so soft. I actually really love this soft look. Do you guys like it? This soft, just soft woman look. I'm really in the mood to do a red. First, what I want to do is I want to get the lipstick on. So this color is called No Shame, and it's almost like that nice berry color. And I'm just doing this because I want to wait till the lashes dry. So pretty. So taking out that liner, let's go ahead and line the lips. Go ahead and get some lipstick and put some on some more and really blend in that pretty lip color. So before we put the gloss, let the lipstick and the lip liner set for a little bit. Okay, take a liquid liner and let's line in underneath the lashes. Now it's time for the gloss. Alright, you guys, so now I want you guys to grab a clear gloss. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Morphe times Jeffree Mini. I don't really wear gloss, especially clear. Usually my gloss has like a tint of nude to it, but this is the only clear one that I have. I know this is a little pink because I used it in the previous video before. Try to get glosses that don't really have glitter in them. I usually like to have the doe foot. I know some glosses are sold where you can squeeze out the gloss. That's fine too, but just make sure you have a brush where you can take it and just go back. You don't really want to squeeze gloss like in your eye. It's just really weird. You're gonna hate it. Try not to get it so close to the actual lash line. And I take it and I just, look at that. Oh, so pretty. That's it. You just take a little bit and you just do like a dab effect. Very easy, very editorial. See the difference? Look at that. Look at this side. I mean, both sides very different. You don't really have to overly do the gloss. I like to kind of do it so you can see it from a distance. So taking it and dabbing it. You don't want to take it and wipe. And it's just really achieving that shine. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna put some on the bottom. Now don't worry about your lashes. So there is your glossy, easy, fun eyes. Let's take a look. And then voila, there you guys go. Oh my god, I literally forgot to put on my last but not least. This is the gloss Trippy from Morphe. It has like a gold speck. This is the gloss that you're supposed to put with this. Here you guys go. The ultimate glossy, beautiful editorial eye. So let's go ahead and put on a wig. And bitch, let's see the final look. Oh wow, I'm totally feeling this. Since we're gonna play with the Kim palette, I just had to put on my Kim K hair. I'm totally feeling like Kim K vibes right now. How are we digging this eyeshadow? If you guys are feeling super cunt, raise your hand. If you're feeling like you need more time, let me know. I'll wait. I'm doing this for the first time. It is a little weird. After a few tries, you guys will definitely get it. It's one of my favorite looks. Are we gagging? Are we not? So let's go ahead and go over the palette. I love it. I gotta be honest with you guys. Was this palette like, oh my god. Oh my god, I need it? No. To be honest, I play with many palettes in this office where I'm like super stunned and it could be the most basic ass color you can think of, but it just works. I think that this palette is, like I said, it's great for everyday wear. The one thing I do love about the KKW brand is she doesn't throw everything at your way. And I know a lot of makeup brands now, makeup is so, oh my god, it's so intense right now where everybody wants to show you what they got. And I feel like as a brand, I wouldn't throw everything at you. I don't need a palette that has 50 colors. Like, no. I don't need 50 palettes that have 50 colors. I like a palette that has a story. There's a story behind it. There's a reason why the colors are chosen. Let me tell you something. A palette that has 50 colors in it, you're not wearing all those colors. And if you are, then girl, come over to my house. Please teach me ways. I'm gonna go take a selfie right now and hopefully I fucking kill it. In the meantime, you guys subscribe to this channel, and I want to take this time, tell one person about my channel. Tell one person, let them know that, you know, Kimora's cool and she just loves to do makeup. I have an exciting revamp I'm doing next year, or maybe by this month. I'm not sure yet, and I want to know you guys' input, so just stay tuned. And in order to know, you have to subscribe. I will see you guys in a few days.